Good posture is often overlooked in the hustle and bustle of modern life, relegated to a mere reminder from parents or teachers to sit up straight. However, the implications of maintaining proper alignment extend far beyond aesthetics. They weave into the very fabric of our health, well-being, and daily functioning. It is a multifaceted concept that encompasses not just the physical act of standing or sitting upright, but also the profound effects it has on our mental state, emotional resilience, and overall quality of life. At its core, good posture is about alignment. When the body is aligned properly, it functions more efficiently. This alignment facilitates optimal breathing, which is crucial for cognitive function. When we slouch, our lungs are restricted, leading to shallow breaths that limit oxygen intake. The brain, which requires a steady supply of oxygen to operate at its best, suffers in this scenario. Improved posture allows for deeper, more effective breathing, nourishing the brain and enhancing cognitive capabilities, such as memory, focus, and problem-solving. It's fascinating how something as simple as posture can impact our ability to think clearly and creatively. Moreover, good posture plays a significant role in digestive health. The human body is a complex system where every part interacts with another. When we maintain an upright position, we allow our internal organs to function optimally without the compression that slouching causes. This can alleviate common digestive issues such as bloating, acid reflux, and constipation. By promoting better nutrient absorption, good posture contributes to our overall vitality and energy levels. When our bodies are functioning well internally, we feel more vibrant and capable of tackling daily challenges. The immune system, too, benefits from good posture. Stress is a known enemy of immune function, and poor posture can contribute to elevated stress levels. When we slouch, we tend to feel more closed off and less confident, which can lead to a cycle of stress and anxiety. Conversely, standing or sitting tall can help lower cortisol levels, the hormone associated with stress, thereby bolstering our immune response. Additionally, good posture promotes better circulation. When blood flows freely, it nourishes our organs and tissues, enhancing overall health. Emotionally, the effects of good posture are equally compelling. Research has shown that maintaining an upright posture can elevate mood and increase feelings of confidence. This is not merely anecdotal. The science behind it is rooted in our body's physiological responses. An upright posture encourages deeper breathing, activates the parasympathetic nervous system, and triggers the release of endorphins and serotonin, hormones that promote feelings of happiness and relaxation. When we feel good physically, it translates into emotional well-being, creating a positive feedback loop that enhances our resilience against stress and adversity. Energy levels are another area where good posture makes a significant impact. Poor posture often leads to muscle strain and fatigue, as the body has to work harder to maintain balance and support itself. By optimizing oxygen intake and reducing strain on muscles, good posture helps prevent the fatigue that can sap our motivation and enthusiasm. This boost in energy can be transformative, allowing us to engage more fully in our daily activities and pursuits. Socially, the benefits of posture are evident in how we are perceived by others. Standing or sitting tall not only projects confidence, but also approachability. In social interactions, body language plays a crucial role, and good posture can enhance communication by making us appear more open and engaged. This can lead to more meaningful connections and interactions, enriching our social lives. Over time, the physical benefits of maintaining good posture manifest in the prevention of chronic pain, particularly in the back, neck, and shoulders. By distributing weight evenly and reducing unnecessary strain on muscles and joints, good posture can mitigate the discomfort that often accompanies poor alignment. This is particularly important as we age, as maintaining balance and coordination becomes increasingly vital to prevent falls and injuries. Sleep quality, too, is influenced by our daily posture habits. Proper alignment during waking hours supports a healthier spine, reducing discomfort that can interfere with rest. When we prioritize good posture throughout the day, we are more likely to experience restful sleep, which is foundational for overall health and cognitive function. For athletes and fitness enthusiasts, Good posture is essential for optimal performance. Proper alignment ensures that muscles are engaged correctly, reducing the risk of injury and enhancing overall effectiveness during workouts. Whether it's lifting weights, running, or practicing yoga, good posture can make the difference between a successful session and one marred by discomfort or injury. In essence, good posture is a holistic practice that influences every aspect of life. It is not merely about standing tall. It is about investing in a healthier, more vibrant version of ourselves. By prioritizing good posture, we unlock a multitude of benefits that enhance our physical health, mental acuity, emotional stability, and social interactions. Each time we consciously align our bodies, we take a step towards greater well-being. In a world where we often prioritize productivity over health, recognizing the comprehensive benefits of good posture is an act of self-care. It is a simple yet powerful tool that can lead to profound changes in our lives. As we navigate the complexities of modern living, let us remember that the way we hold ourselves can shape not just our bodies, but our minds and spirits as well. By standing tall and embracing the power of good posture, we can cultivate a life that is not only healthier, but also more fulfilling and enriched.